hospitality with a Vegas mentality. The Gulf view. I'm so excited to wake up and see what that looks like. Butterflies, flowers, waterfalls.
Here's their gumbo.
It smells so good. Super buzzsaw feature.
What is up, guys? It's Carson, it's Sammy, and we are back at the BEAU Rivage here in Biloxi, Mississippi. You guys seemed to like the last time we were here, so stick around. We've got a lot to show you. This is our first night here. We're going to be here for 4 days. We've got, I think, 3 buffet tours, multiple dinners. We're going to go see, I think, a baseball game, dueling pianos.
So many things. Today we flew in through Breeze, so check that out on our channel if you want to see us getting here. And right now we're going to go to a quick room tour. Then tonight we're just spending the night at the BEAU. It is a little bit later for arriving. It's 8, so we're going to mess around the BEAU, get some food, show you guys maybe some shops, decor, all that fun stuff. It's going to be a smaller vlog today, but then we're going to get right into it tomorrow. We're here till Thursday and today's Sunday, so let's just go get into it.
See you guys there.
All right, we officially just landed. This is the tiniest airport ever. It reminds me so much of Atlantic City's airport.
They have a Sonic though.
Yeah, that is cool. They have a Sonic. There is a restaurant and bar, and I think that's pretty much the only food.
Brewing.
And whatever that is. So, future us not gonna come here early. A little early, but not very early. All right, let's get out of here. Just got here to the BEAU, but I have to give you this. The Southern hospitality with a Vegas mentality is such a good way to describe Biloxi. That's so cute. There was another sign on the way in that said it. So I just thought that was really cute. This is the first time I've seen like any of this actually open because, oh my God, it's decorated for Easter. Roasted bean is open. And we're gonna feed us somewhere different tonight. That is cool. Maceo's open. Love a good mace. No, it's not. It's not. We're gonna go check in. All right, so we just got in our room. This is kind of the same as last time, but guys, look at this freaking bathroom. Look at the wallpaper, the tub, granite counters, beautiful granite shower. I mean, brand new, not a scuff in this place is what it feels like. Absolutely clean. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Walk out here. You have your little safe, and there is a little mini fridge in here that is empty, safe. More mirrors. Carson's helping me unpack. Big king bed, beautiful lighting. Again, like just look at this little art and decor. If you want a full room tour, it is on our channel. And tomorrow morning you will see in that vlog what view we got. We got upgraded nice enough to the Gulf view. I'm so excited to wake up and see what that looks like. Last time we had a city view. But other than that, it's kind of the same room, but 10 out of 10 on the room. Way better than Borgata's room and better than a lot of Vegas rooms too. No wear and tear, super clean. Let's go downstairs. We're in the casino, just got our cards from the Players Club, which is over there in the smoke-free slots. We are gonna play some free bet craps, easy craps. Maybe take you guys around. This is on my phone anytime we're in the casino, just so you guys know for this trip, because we're not supposed to be filming in here. It's a little bit easier, but we'll see where we go after this. See if we win anything too. Also, can someone let me know when a bar opened up in High Limit? Like, when did that happen? Someone comment down below, or I'll Google it, because I do not remember seeing that last time. Okay, playing slots. Got a wheel bonus. You know how it goes. Super buzzsaw feature. So turns out we actually did pretty good on the Huff and Puff. What did we win on the Huff and Puff? 100? 100 bucks. So pretty good. 30 bucks in, won 100, left with 85. Pretty fun. Now we're playing this one, which is completely destroying us. And we'll bring you back. Going for the mini. 75-cent bet. Going for the mini. Must hit by 125. Did we get it? There it is. What'd you get? The mini.
What I was expecting.
There you go. That mini gave us 10 random spins, but we are not doing so good. So we'll see. All right, won $13. Pretty much our money back. Not the best, not the worst. Guys, we've been playing for a little bit, but we're gonna show you the Easter decor here in the BEAU Rivage. Super cute in the main lobby, as they always do. We saw the pumpkin October theme last time. Lots of like butterflies, flowers, waterfalls. What are those, hot air balloons, kites?
Hot air balloons and kites? Pretty sure the hot air balloons are always here.
You think so? I don't think so.
I thought so.
Flowers as per usual, but definitely butterfly theme.
I hate how they shut all the shops so early.
I know. So
it's a negative.
It is a Sunday night, which is a weekend night, at 8:46. So we're gonna go see if anything's open before 9 hits. Because once 9 hits here,
it's definitely closed.
Oh, look at the snail.
The snails are cool.
Yeah. That's so cute.
Yeah, it's really cool. Let's go see if anything's open. Alrighty, 8:50 closed. It closes at
7 on Sundays.
Wow.
8 on Friday, Saturday.
Maceo, we love Maceo, but they're closed. So this thing closed at 8.
Also at 7. No, Friday and Saturday is only 8.
Oh, you're right.
Today is Sunday.
You're right, Monday, Thursday, and Sunday at 7. Louis would be cool to look at. Let's go back another day and look.
Cute little lounge. They do have some food things right here. It is still open, but it does close at 9.
Damn, those sliders look freaking good.
They had wings too, but they're gone now. That's newer, but maybe it just was never open.
Yeah, that's probably what it was. Roasted beans closed. They were open when we were here.
Test of all tests, the arcade.
It's gonna be closed. Look at the bunnies.
I find that is so cute.
Look at all the bunnies. This is a cool entrance right here. Look at all the bunnies. Look at the bunny family for Easter. It's an Easter bunny family. Oh man, look at him. He's cool. He's creepy.
It's actually a nice little outdoor
You can go out there actually. It's kind of cool.
Nice.
More bunnies, more bunnies, more bunnies.
3, 2,
Actually,
1.
closed. They don't even have hours on this door.
They don't even have hours.
It's actually a badass little
It
arcade.
is, and look at all the prizes you can win.
I know. Look at that. It's cool. I'd spend more in here than the casino.
8 p.m. on Sundays. It's always closed.
All right, well.
Holy God. The taco place is open.
Yeah,
But
tacos
they
open.
probably close at 9.
Yeah, I bet you're right.
They
All right,
definitely close.
we'll see what's open.
Alrighty, so we came to the front at Salt and Ivy. It is a little bit later. It is 10:20 on a Sunday. We wanted to go inside to MGM Bet, which is a sports book there, but their kitchen closed at 9. Their bar is open until 11, so I read that wrong. But we are here basically right at the front at Salt and Ivy. We're gonna give it a little shot here. We're just gonna get a little snack to show you guys. Again, late night, so we just kind of wanted something, didn't really have dinner. But wanted to do MGM Sportbook, but just so you know, kitchen hours are different than bar hours, but here it is not different kitchen hours and bar hours. It does just close at 11, so we're cutting it close, 10:20. Let's go get a little snack and show you guys how it is. Oh, it's pretty busy. I mean, everybody's gotta eat, so not surprising.
Here we are, the Salt and Ivy. Kind of a cool name. Here's their full beer, wine, beverages list. They got mimosas, cocktails, but what you guys are interested in is the food. Here we go, appetizers. They got a fruit tray, a hummus, shrimp cocktail, chicken wings, fried green tomatoes, crawfish queso fundito, sounds cool. Southern dip trio. Let's see, we got French onion soup, seafood gumbo, chicken noodle soup. Honestly, sounds kind of fire. Tomato basil. Some salads, you can read those where they got an Asian salad, house salad, Caesar, grass-fed hamburgers. Maui Wowie burger sounds cool. Roasted pineapple. Sammy may like that. Korean barbecue. They got entrees. They got crispy seafood, fried chicken and waffles, seafood pasta sounds good. Grouper. You got your sandwiches, BLT chicken, Euro, French dip, po' boy, and breakfast all day. Breakfast
guys.
sandwich sounds amazing.
Look at the twin fillets for only $36. I don't know what that means, but for $36, that looks kind of fire.
Does sound kind of fire actually.
Right? That's a good price.
And breakfast all day, honestly, their breakfast sandwich sounds kind of fire. So that is the menu. We're gonna order some food, see how it goes. So far, server seems like a sweetheart.
Yes.
All right, guys, so we do this thing where we each chose 3 entrees, and we're determining what we're gonna narrow down to. I chose Euro, chicken pot pie, or what was the last thing I chose?
Pie or
No,
breakfast
it was a
sandwich.
breakfast sandwich. And
No, that's right.
yeah,
Chicken pot pie.
Euro.
The Euro or the breakfast sandwich.
And then I
So-
let Sammy choose, so she chose the Euro. She kind of cheated and repicked the chicken pot pie, which is kind of a scam, because I let her pick my option.
But I also said chicken wings, chicken pot pie, or a burger. But it's like, I don't know. But great menu, honestly. I mean, that's like a lot of options.
A lot of
It
options.
could be terrible because usually a lot of options means really bad.
Also, what are they gonna do after they just leave a comment?
Like and subscribe, man. We have
Thank
a
you.
long trip and no money.
I want to hit 10,000 subscribers. Come
We're
on.
really close, so if you could like and subscribe. Also comment down below because we've had so many people comment that live here and love watching this. I love that. And someone did comment how great Coralines is here. If we win, we are going there. You are my girl. I don't know who commented it, but somebody commented it. If we win money, we're going to Coralines. I promise. We're here. We'll see what we get. I don't know.
You'll see here in a minute. All right, here's their gumbo. I'm gonna try some different gumbos here around Biloxi, so let's try this one. Supposedly this one's pretty good.
It's hot. Careful.
Very mild. Very mild. They put the rice in there, it really milds it out. Say would probably like this. I don't really taste the shrimp or the
crawfish at all.
So you think it's bland? Is
Maybe
that the
that's
word
a
you're going
shrimp
for?
right there. Maybe. Nope. That was a big ball of rice.
Now, this
Like that
was a
taste.
side. Let me put it as a side note. We, instead of, what was it, salad?
Yeah.
You could upcharge to a soup. So we did get this.
That's
It
a piece
wasn't
of
upcharged.
sausage salmon like that.
I'll try that. But he sounds like,
There's no, I don't taste seafood at all.
yeah, but do you like taste any flavor?
A little bit. I just don't taste seafood at all. Here. You taste seafood?
Not at all, but I don't think it's bad. It actually kind of has good flavor.
I don't think it's all.
Oh, I
just
thought
don't
you were
taste
saying like you don't taste flavor.
No, I just don't taste seafood.
Got it. That makes more sense. I thought that was kind of good.
Mild. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, very mild. It's not spicy, but it has a good flavor to it, in my opinion. Now, I just had the sausage, and I do love sausage and rice.
Honestly, put like a 8 out of 10.
There you go. Sub for $3. That soup for a salad, kind of fire. All right, so this is the gyro. Comes wrapped.
Dude,
This looks
look at this chicken pot
so
pie, dude.
good. It's
This
huge.
may feed like 2 people for sure. You can share this. Wow,
It's-
look how beautiful
stab
this
it.
looks. It feels very, I
Like
don't
you
know,
think
I'm
it's
just
all
serious. It just
pastry?
feels pastry. Could be wrong.
It smells so good.
There's
What
filling
else
in there.
I did ask, are the chips or the fries better? And she did say that the fries were homemade.
Said the
I
fries were
don't
homemade.
think they're homemade, but let's try. They're not homemade. Like, let's just be honest. They're okay. They're very ballparky. But here's the gyro,
I'm sure right.
which looks very good. Dude, careful. That's probably so hot. It looks delicious, though. I'm not even gonna lie. It looks so good.
I don't want to listen. I don't want to complain, but not a very deep dish with filling. Like what?
No, but it's a big dish, though.
There's not much filling in it.
There you go. I'll have to give you my
Like I
opinion
feel
once
like it's
try
a
it.
lot of pastry, but the filling is good. This looks amazing. Let's just try a little bite of this.
Yeah, it's like hard to almost like get into. We asked for extra tzatziki.
Good. However, I'll tell you this. You guys seen on TikTok where they do that thing where they lay out parchment paper?
I have,
Roll out and
yes,
eat
done their own thing at
unroll
home and,
it.
and bake it.
It's exactly what it tastes like.
All right, so now that you actually had a real bite of it, what do you think?
I think it tastes really good, but me personally, I think it tastes like the hamburger meat.
I actually really liked it.
So we didn't think it did, but to me it does.
There you go. I really liked it.
I think it's good.
There you go. I'll try the pot pie and see how it is. Recap, I actually loved this, and I kind of loved this. I do not like the fries, I'm gonna be honest with you, and the gumbo was good, but I really liked this, fries were okay. What's your final option?
I thought the food was personally a 7 out of 10.
Higher
I
for
thought the
you.
gyro was fake gyro meat. I thought it was good. I thought it was good, but I don't think it was amazing. I thought the chicken pot pie was good. I thought it was too much topping. However, I think the bill is great. $75. We got ice water, 2 Michelob Ultras, a gyro. Chicken pot pie is outrageously priced at $25 in my opinion. I did think that the soup was amazing.
Soup was good.
10 on the soup.
They're very good on their gumbos.
I give it a 7 out of 10, personally.
There you go. I would give it personally, I would give it a 7 out of 10. Maybe a 7.5. You know what, I'm gonna give it a 7.5.
Going 6.8.
Ooh, he's lowering it. Competition, 7.5. So there you go. Salt and Ivy, but I will give them, it is 11:07, so it is late night food.
For late night food, maybe a 10.
Right. For late night food, it's a 10. So we may see you guys in the casino, we may not, and we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, still playing, just pretty much barely keeping us alive. Got another bonus, but pretty much just barely keeping us alive here. Alrighty, I know that was a very short vlog. It was our first night here, got in a little late, showed you guys the room, showed you guys checking in, showed you the Easter display out there, tried to show you guys the arcade that didn't work. We are gonna go get dinner, so you did see that. Be a little bit of a mishmash, but come back tomorrow morning. We have buffets, we have Harrah's I think we're going all over the place. I don't even know. So like, subscribe, stay tuned, short vlog, but the best ones are coming up next.